handy little tip is that you sort of want to keep busy, keep rotating and checking your baits every 5 or 10 minutes. Not only just to make sure the bait's still there, but also, you know, you can get weed on the bait, things like that. And, you know, you don't want to waste your time sitting out here with a weed covered bait, but also you just check that rod and then keep working your way through. And it's amazing how often you'll recast a bait, it hits the bottom, you put the rod in the holder and it takes off. And maybe it's the thinker hitting the bottom, making noise, it drags the fish in, or a bait comes down in front of a fish and it's almost like a reaction bite. So by doing that, it can be quite helpful. So see there, tiny bit of weed, bit of a chewed up calamari ring. We were sort of, you know, potentially wasting our time. So we'll swap that one out, put a freshie on. Bait's kept out of the sun as well. See, the bait board's now quite empty. The sun's starting to pop out. There we go. Always make sure there is nothing on the tip of the hook too. A scale, a tiny little scale on the tip of that hook could prevent it from hooking a fish. So squid's not so bad, but I always just like to make sure it's nice and clean. I'm gonna run this one short too. Okay, so I've got a couple out the back. This one, I'm just gonna run him literally there. So your baits are a little bit staggered. Couple short, couple long, one even straight down can be helpful. Oh, look at that one. That's perfect. I don't know a lot about anything, but I reckon it's hard to catch fish with no bait.